Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming account requirements and why they matter. Make sure your email is verified and any age restrictions are satisfied. This prevents blocked changes. Next, check if you have any change limits. Roblox enforces cooldowns and premium can affect options. While you're here, pick and copy the exact two-word display name you want, including spacing and capitalization, because precise input avoids rejection. Once done, move directly to the Profile Edit area to apply the name. Now you'll perform the change itself, and I'll explain both how and why. Open your Roblox profile, choose Edit Profile, then locate the Display Name field. You must type the two-word name exactly, because extra spaces or missing punctuation will be rejected. Pay attention to Roblox character rules and length limits, since violations cause failure and force cooldowns. Once entered, preview it mentally, correct capitalization matters for readability, and then save. If the save button, finish by saving and verifying the new display name on your profile. Changes can take a few minutes to propagate across games, so be patient. If the system rejects the name, don't panic. Reopen the field and adjust spacing, remove prohibited symbols, or shorten it to meet length limits, because most rejections are format-based. Make sure you haven't hit a cooldown from recent changes. If you still can't save after 2 informed attempts, then contact Roblox support with your account details and a clear description of what you tried.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.